Hi folks, it's Russell Watson from Mr. Watson DE, and I'm showing you quickly how to tidy up some old code. Look, I've just found this script where after doing an import we're resetting various columns to various values. This technique using replace field contents is extremely efficient for one or two columns, but as soon as you start to get more columns, you start multiplying the number of record commits that you require to finish the data change, so that it's much more efficient to do it with a loop. Because for each of these columns, if you've got 1,000 records, you've got 1,000 commits. So you have 1,000 commits per column. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here we got 10,000 commits. If we turn it into a loop, then we've only got 1 commit per record instead of 10. So it's nearly 10 times as fast. So what we're going to do is we're going to change these replace field contents into a loop of set field commands, and it's quite easy with fmWorkMate. We're going to copy the code, go to fmWorkMate, here we go. We can press command 2 to convert. Now we've converted it, and then I'm going to perform a transform. We can do that with a little T down here, and we're going to, I think we're going to search. We're going to search. It's convert replace loop. There we go. Okay, here we go. That's the one. Convert replace field to set field loop. So we run that. Great. We convert it back to FileMaker objects, and then simply insert it here. Ta-da! And you see it's created a loop for us with a check of the found count at the beginning, with go to records, and with all of the set fields, which before were replace field contents. They've got exactly the same functionality. Here we've got set field Arbeitszeitschlüssel equal to get a UUID, and here we had replace field contents Arbeitszeitschlüssel to get UUID, etc. For each one there is one set field. So we can get rid of the old method, and we now have a nice shiny new method. Isn't that great? Thanks very much.